Flat bread in 5 minutes, 30 calories only. In a bowl, add 1 cup of wheat bran. Add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Add 1/4 cup of warm water. Add the water gradually until all the bran is wet. With a hand blender, blend the bran around 1 minute until all the bran is grinded. Make sure that you don't leave any unblended. Press the dough with your hands until it becomes supple or integrated, and you can make it into one bowl. When you're kneading the bran, make sure you're pressing it together, or else it will fall apart. Divide the bowl into 4 parts. Take every part and make it into a bowl. Notice that I'm pressing it in together to be able to make it into a bowl. Bran is flaky and hard to bind, but it's also easy to fix. Let's start. On a dusted workspace, take one bowl and press it gently with your palm. Roll it on the other side and turn it to fix the round shape, and then keep pressing and turning. Anytime the roller gets sticky, you can add more bran. Roll it very gently and evenly. When done, fix the edges in the way that you see, and roll them slightly on the edges again. Let's roll another ball. Dust, press, flip, fix, press, dust again, and roll gently in the manner that you see. Fix and dust and roll. Notice that the dough is gonna break. Don't worry about that. As you see, you can just press it gently and then continue working. Dusting with wheat bran will fix the problem. Dust around the dough and the dough scraper to make sure that it doesn't stick while you're taking it out. Then scrape it and flip it on your hand and slide it into a preheated pan at medium-high heat or number 7. Cook for 1 minute and then flip it and cook again for another minute, and you're done. To fix the edges, you can cut it with scissors. Place the bread in a buttered paper and inside a plastic bag. Then roll it to take out the oxygen, and you can use them or store them. Revive your diet.